My name is Tom Johnson. I'm a technical writer, so I write documentation for developers who are building apps and so on. I live in Renton and commute to Fremont, which is about 25 miles or so. So I break it up into 3 different segments. I drive to a link light rail or sounder station. I take the link light rail or sounder for the bulk of the distance to travel. And then once I get downtown or to the UW station, I'll bike the last mile to my workplace in Fremont. And I find that having those 3 different segments works really well. It's very flexible. I can change up different starting points, ending points. I love the ability to put my bike on the back of the car and figure out the right route that I want to go. If I'm on public transportation, I'm not going to be subjected to traffic congestion on the link light rail or the sounder. I'll get to my destination, a lot less stressful, more predictable. I can listen to podcasts, I can zone out, I can do work, I can not do work, and I get to my destination in a much more timely way. The mindset when you're far removed from the city is that like you need your car to get everywhere. And that might be true when you're in the suburbs. But then if you take that same mindset into the city, downtown, where you think, oh, I'm car dependent to get everywhere, it completely falls apart. You get trapped in congestion, parking is a nightmare, it's no fun, right? You have to somehow break that mindset of, oh, I need my car to get around, to I can use other modes of travel. And sometimes that last mile can actually take 20, 30, 40 minutes. So that last mile, I think, perfectly solved by either a bicycle or a scooter, really. You can kind of zing along the city streets, find the right paths, and you can get to your destination.